Oriented.
That's not what you think. It's just a drama.
What do you think that I'm thinking?
She's even
Only God in heaven knows what you have seen.
myself. You're awesome.
So sweet.
I think I want more now.
Why? See what? Oh, baby.
That was cheese.
Kill me.
You want to kill me?
You are what our president called
I didn't even know I had all those techniques. God, you flipped me around and around. I feel like a baby girl now.
Really? I really have a good time with you.
Really, I enjoyed myself. You're awesome.
So sweet.
I think I want more now.
Oriented.
You're so sweet.
I think I want more now.
Oh, really? Not even go there. Not even go there.
Are you sure? I really enjoyed it. Oh, wow.
You're so sweet. Come on. Just put your hand there.
Hey.
Let me give you that baby girl treatment.
And if I go down there again?
Hey, please.
You sure?
Not now, okay? So, tell me, how do you feel?
That was awesome. I want to remind you again. And I was like,
You know what? I just remembered how you were screaming so loud.
That was. I'm sorry.
Oh, Baba. You shouldn't be shy. It's just you're not here.
It's fun. I didn't know I was gonna.
No.
Wait, are you sure you don't have a snake down there? Because I wanted to kill me. Oh.
Snake? I got to a snake. You know that.
I want a snake.
No. You know what? That thing you saw down there, naturally God gave him. And it's for people as beautiful, curvy, big like you. Made specially for you.
I know, right? Thank you, baby.
You know what?
I want a kiss now.
I'm all to you. Whenever you want to have it, just take phone call.
No.
No. Not now. Let's not crazy. Okay.
Okay, it's fine.
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow.
What am I seeing again?
Definitely. Maybe let's just go for next week.
Next week. Oh, so much. I want to miss all this sugar.
No, I not really like. But trust me. Okay, fine.
Tonight.
Tonight. Let me check my schedules. Maybe in 2 days time.
Are you sure my husband will not be back by then?
No.
Baby, he's not coming back today. We can have it tonight.
Please.
Okay. Is something wrong?
I'm having this feeling that he can't come back today.
Big man, he's not coming back. I beg.
Are you sure?
I mean, talk every day. He's not coming back. I'm sure of that one.
My instance is not.
He's not coming back. He's my husband. I know him too well.
Okay, if you
Can I
say
won't
so.
stay there forever? Who cares?
Yes. If you stay there forever, I have all this to myself.
Yeah.
There's this something I've been meaning to tell you.
Everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine, but not really that fine.
You're getting me worried.
No, it's just I'm being bothered. It's a matter of business anyways. Yeah. There is
Can
this.
you just stop scaring me?
Okay, fine. Let me just disclose this to you.
Okay.
There is this one business I want to venture into. It's quite managing like huge amount of money. Well, currently I do not have enough capital to start it up. So
how much are we talking about here?
8 million naira will go a long way for it.
That's a lot.
I know.
That's a lot.
But see, it's not about the bigger money that the business is demanding right now. What we should be more focused on right now is about the income, like future. Because if I should invest 8 million naira into that business right now, definitely, if I'm getting from that business, I'll get like, 2.5 monthly. You see?
Are you sure?
Yes.
2.5, that's a lot. It's not Ponzi.
No, I'm very sure about this. It's legit. I'm telling you.
So how do you intend to get the money?
Currently, I don't know. I don't even know. Like, I don't know my right to my left man. And
you must have reached something.
What I have right now, I've been like facing through a lot. Like, what I have in hand is just 200,000 naira.
Oh, people, are you kidding me right now? You're looking for 8 million, and you just have 200k.
Yes, I don't know. I don't know if you can just help me out.
Maybe I can just support with my own personal finance, maybe 2 million or something.
2 million, maybe 2 million. There is no 2 million. Not even no. 2 million, 2 million.
What happened?
No, 2 million. Stand up. 2 million naira.
Because of money.
It's not because of the money. Just try to understand. So 2 million out of 8 million. Take it out now. It's not coming up. Take it out. 2 million.
Oh. Okay. No. I'm not making any promises. See what I can do for
you. Baby, this is not a matter of see what you can do. Trust me. I'm your baby. You love me, right? Whatever. Like, my win is your win. Okay. If this thing just work out as I planned, definitely we'll be cashing out 2.5 million naira monthly. Like, isn't that much?
No, I think I should just. What do I even tell my husband? It's a lot of money. But it's fine. I'll just put some. Maybe I'll just tell him that I need to go for the antenatal. Of course, so 8 million. I'll just cook up something. Maybe I'll tell him that because our child is 1 month old, and then the person needs to run a scan and do tests or something, and it's right.
Yes, now you're making a point. You see,
you know you're the father of the child.
Really?
You
mean?
I be your father, son. Okay, let me remind you. That day we had.
I don't know, boy. You mean I'm the father of this child? Really?
In there.
For real?
Yes, you're gonna be a father soon.
I was even thinking he's the one responsible for.
That one, I think is even important. Do you know how long we've been trying to have a child? And in the space of how many months, I kid. Yeah. So, he was so happy when I shared the news. So yes, exactly. I'll have to tell him I have this hospital visit and our child. So I'll cook up something, and then he'll give me the money. Okay?
I'm really a darling. Come on. You're a darling.
Yeah.
So what happened?
Okay.
If he brings the money and wants to forward it to me, the very first profit I'm going to make out of that business, I will use the 2.5 million to rent an apartment the upper months before your tummy shoots out. Then I will start buying baby things, our child. Okay? And maybe I'll spend like 1.5 million buying baby stuffs.
Please, not too much.
No. We are going to make sure that this baby in here have a luxury life. Trust me.
I can't wait.
Trust me. Then the next plan is plan on how you're going to make this man for good. Come stay with me forever. We'll be forever, okay?
I know. It's fine till then.
Don't you want to leave him?
Well, don't worry. Let's forget about that. So what's up?
Baby, you said something. Do you actually mean he's important?
I don't know. I wouldn't know, but we've been married for long and then no issues. So that makes him important.
Oh, really?
What about him, please? And he thinks he's the father of the child, so I can imagine how he feels. Okay, it's fine.
It's okay.
God.
The eyes.
Eyes.
Very sensitive.
They want you. My eyes want you right now.
Not right now, please.
But baby, we're sleeping over, right?
No. I need to go.
You need to go.
Yes.
I'll be here all day long.
You're not gonna be here all alone. We speak on phone. Besides, I need to go to hospital to check up my mother, my sick mother.
It's not bad.
According to doctor's report, they say that the illness keep on deteriorating day by day. Like
So sorry.
the situation is getting worse.
Oh, sorry. So sorry about that.
And I even need to go to the hospital right now, but I don't have cash with me.
Wow, you don't?
No, I don't have cash
Well,
with me.
baby, I sent you 100k this morning.
Yes. You know my immediate younger sister. She called me this morning telling me about her one problem she had with her label, and they locked her up in the police station, so I had to use the 100,000 to just bail her out.
Police?
Yes. I have no other choice than to bail her out. So that was what I used the money for. So right now I'm empty.
I don't have. Okay, how much are we looking at here?
If you get like 80,000.
80,000. Are you?
No.
You think I plug money from the tree?
Baby, it's not you plugging money from the tree, okay? I need like 80,000 naira so that when I get to the hospital and when the demand of running one text or the other, I'll just dip my hand in my pocket. Get
Okay, it's fine. I don't know. I don't have up to 80k here. I don't know. I just have but I can vary around for 40k.
40.
Actually, it was the money I was meant to cook for my husband. But don't worry, we might go for a takeout or something.
40k. My transport alone. Please, can you just, maybe you try search the house to make sure you can make it up to 60.
I'm not sure, but I'm sure 40. But it's fine. Let me just see what I can get.
No, please, okay? I'll be here with you. Okay. I'm waiting. No, don't worry when you come back, okay? I'll be waiting, huh? If you can give me money, might take and go sort myself out, my good knees and do shy. Don't I have? Then we should just carry money come now. Why? Who loves you, care? Hey, baby, you're here.
Okay, so I was able to get it.
What? Eh? Hey! Give me that money. Give me that money. What is wrong with you?
Young man, who are you? Young man, who are you?
Sir.
What is he doing here? What is he doing in our house?
Sir, I
Who are you, young man? Who are you?
I am an electrician. I came to fix the heater.
Heater?
Yes.
Fix what?
Heater.
Are you here to fix the heater or to fix my wife?
The heater.
Daddy, have you been coming? Which one that he has been coming again? Which ex?
Today is my first day. You see, you came to do what? Fix the heater.
Yes,
fix the heater. Yes, heater. I hope everything is okay. Our heater is working perfectly fine.
Yes. When did you get back?
I checked it before I left this very house.
When you get back, Abby. Please don't interfere. I'm talking to my husband.
Hey! Oh, this is what you've been doing under my nose. The moment I leave this very house,
Yes.
you show your true colors.
So that's what I've been telling you.
Do you have another color? This is not just this color. What is this money for?
Bring out that money. Please.
My
Pay 90. Bring out that money.
This is my payment. Wait, please, I want to ask you something. How would who are you? What are you here for? What is your mission?
Sir, I'm an electrician now.
Electrician.
I just came to do
Didn't you hear when he said he would, that he wants to collect 8 million from your wife?
Calm down.
And you are still asking.
Calm down.
These people are based on the same feather.
Calm down. What are you and my wife planning to do with 8 million?
Did you talk about 8 million?
Just drama. Yes. Now, you think I'm a clown, right?
No.
You think I've come to play with you? We both are going the same church. Yes, we had a drama to
rehearse.
Yes. You see that drama? That drama will be the end of the both of you.
Yes.
Stop talking now. What are you guys planning to do with 8 million naira?
That's
a drama.
Do I have 8 million?
For where? Wait. I want to ask you something. Wait now.
Bring the other money.
I want to ask you something. How would you feel, after going to work for somebody and they pay you, and another person now came to collect the money they paid you? How would you feel?
They paid you money to work the heater, yes, to fix her. No, the heater. You allow the jiggle. She's paying me for services. I fix you. Funny enough, we overheard the conversation you both were having here.
Okay, babe.
We have been here for 2 hours plus. You have been spilling a whole lot of shit. I'm impotent.
Hey! Did I say that?
You say that I don't last long. You now invited a man who will last forever with you, right?
I was just practicing.
You practicing what?
The drama.
Practicing what?
Drama.
Hey!
That's not what you do. It's just a drama.
What do you think that I'm thinking? Only God in heaven knows what you have been doing. Only God in heaven knows what you have been doing. God made it possible that I caught you red-handed today. So how many men have you been bringing to my house? How many of them have you been bringing?
But this one is regular.
You are not a regular. I'm not a regular. Why something regular? A woman that is married, you will not I'll kill you today. You're planning of house to buy things to do. So my heart and money. Let me tell you the truth. Now start spilling the truth because I want the truth and nothing but the truth. Let me tell you the truth. Tell me the truth now. Listen, I don't know how to my intention. What's not your intention? Then tell me what's your real intention here. What's your real intention and mission in my house? What's your intention? What's your mission here, young man?
Okay,
Okay. First thing first, I'm an electrician. I declare it up and down.
Brother,
You think I'm a child? How can I fix such? Am I a good man like you? I'm not.
how you blow your wife first?
See, I'm finished. You will not leave this very house today. I will guilt you. Mercilessly, I will guilt you. Let me tell you the truth. You see all the money she has been transferring to your account. I want you to transfer those money back into my own account. We will start from there, first of all. And maybe other documents, other things you have acquired from my wife with my own one.
Yes.
You have to send them all of them back to me.
Okay,
fine. Wait, I think I have my phone here. Because I know come down, other big community. Please, I never know how to Please don't call the police. Please come on. I'll watch out. Let me watch you. Don't call the police for me. Okay, fine. Okay. I will call everything. Please. Hey, you have the guts. You have the effort thing. Knowing the kind of man that I am. Knowing my status in the community. You enter my compound and you touch my own wife.
I'm sorry, it's my wife.
Look at you.
They call this my wife.
Look at you.
You never know.
I thought all of this was love.
I love you.
You did what?
I love you.
You did what?
I said to God, I love you. I love you so.
You said what? You see what you have caused now? You see what you have caused now? You have run away. You will suffer for all of this. You will suffer it all.
Yes.
Oh my goodness! What is this young man? I want to deal with this young man. Hey!
You want our child?
What? Repeat what she just said. Repeat what she just said. What did I hear you say? Say it again.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry for what? I just heard something. You said something. What is that thing that you said? No. You don't need to be sorry. I heard something. You were saying something. I want to hear you again. Say what you said again.
I just wanted to cut off.
Am I not calm enough?
It's the devil's work. Please, begging.
Wait,
you are the devil.
Are you the devil? I don't understand because I'm not seeing any other devil here. If it's not you.
All the time. You love my wife loves me. Look at it. I told you you're not satisfying me. Oh!
I wasn't satisfying you. Since you knew that I have issues satisfying you, what you should have done is almost to me.
Which child? Don't mind this one. She wants to nail you.
Look at you.
But tell this boy to go. Tell this woman.
You went and got pregnant for your plumber guy. Now you are calling the child my child. You disgust me. Hey! If anyone ever told me that you would do this to me, I wouldn't believe it. What came over you? I used to love you, but not anymore with all of these things that I just heard.
Yeah, brother, stop wasting your love on this one now. This one is pro now. This is Asha.
No, you know what I want you to do? See, don't provoke me. I don't want to stammer. You know what you will do for me? You get into the house. You pack all your bags. Make sure nothing is remaining. I don't want to see any single thing. I don't want to see any single thing.
You cannot do that to me. You cannot do that to me. I love you so much.
Wait, you say you love me. All of these things you did, are they proofs of love? Are they proofs of love? Are there proofs of love? You claim you love someone and your actions contradict your words. Young woman, get inside, get your back and leave my house this very minute. Get inside and leave this house. I'll kick you.
Why waste your love on
Oh my God! I thought that I was doing all of this for good. Whatever she asks of me, I do it for her.
You see this is your wife, eh? There is nothing different from those people standing on the road now. The only thing is that she does her own inside the house.
And she has been doing this with different men.
Different people. But this one, a regular customer.
If we have not caught her today, she will tell us different kind of stories.
I'm telling you. I told you that. Woo! Oh yeah, back and go. Woo! Oh yeah.
Start going no. Start going no. Don't allow me to come there and start pushing you or dragging you. You know how violent I can be when I'm angry. Start going now. Is that pain that will kill you?
You see, that your tears will not stop my brother from doing what he wants to do. You don't remember anything, brother. You don't remember anything.
Because nothing about you exists in my head.
Yes.
See, my head, you see my conscious and nothing there about you inside this head. Oh yeah, Alele, come on, leave. Oh yeah, Alele.
Please, baby, I love you.
Wait. Okay, this is your phone, right? You take it.
Better. Let her take. Oh, brother.
Okay, second thought, see, I bought this one for her. So it's of no use.
She doesn't deserve anything from you. Oh yeah.
My friend got away.
Madam, you
Get out.
He can say. Oh yeah.